Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This prevents activation failures. Once done, sign into your Lebara account or create one and have a credit card or voucher ready for purchase. Make sure your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi and has more than half battery so downloads won't fail. Now open Lebara's app or website, choose the eSIM plan you want, and proceed to buy. This triggers the QR or activation information you'll need next. After purchase, Lebara sends a QR code or activation ID, save that. On your phone, go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data, then add Cellular Plan. If you're on Android, use the eSIM menu. Scan the QR from Lebara using the camera prompt, or enter the SMDP Plus and activation code manually if provided. Once the profile downloads, label it clearly so you can switch. Make sure to set the new plan as your data or voice line according to your needs before finishing. Finish by restarting your phone to let the network register the eSIM. Then select the new plan as your default for data or calls if required. Test a call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data works. If data fails, check APN settings against Lebara's recommended values and reapply them. This fixes most connection problems. If activation still fails, contact Lebara support with your order or activation ID and request a reissue. This frequently resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.